For people at home who say, look, we've got a vaccine, we're good, enough, what would you say to them?
Well, I'm a big fan of the vaccine, having had my own opportunity to get immunized. But that's not the whole answer. And if the virus changes itself enough that it's not the same virus that your vaccine works against, you're going to want to have a treatment that still works for that new virus. So you want something that has a broad efficacy against the whole family of coronaviruses. We don't have that.
What are the barriers for many people to actually get one of those therapeutics that are available right now?
The therapeutics available right now in the hospital are things like remdesivir, dexamethasone, and those are widely available for anybody who's in a hospital in the US. You should have access to that.
But you have to go to the hospital.
Right. Monoclonal antibodies have been shown to reduce the likelihood of having to get into the hospital if you're somebody at high risk, that is over 65 or with a chronic illness, and you've just been diagnosed. Monoclonal antibodies will help you, but they're still not being offered to a lot of people because of the logistics. It's an infusion. You have to basically go somewhere for 2 or 3 hours and have an intravenous line placed to get this monoclonal antibody into your system. That's kind of a big deal for a hospital that may already be pretty strapped taking care of really sick patients to set up. So we've not been as successful as we should be. We need to fix that.
Are there many options out there right now for therapeutics that don't require a visit to the hospital?
A big need right now is for a drug that you could take by mouth, that you could be offered as soon as you had a positive test, and that would reduce the likelihood that that virus is going to make you really sick. And we have some very good clues there. Drugs like colchicine, like fluvoxamine, like potentially ivermectin, but they haven't been really proven in the kind of rigorous trial that you want to see happen before you decide to recommend this to everybody. That's what we are doing right now at NIH, working with our colleagues in industry to try to take that kind of a test to where it needs to be and find out exactly what really works. And I'm optimistic that on that list, there may be some real game changers, but we need to know for sure.